Introducing the Bosch Series 6 8kg heat pump dryer in graphite. This dryer offers a range of specialized programs to cater to all your laundry needs, including bedding, cotton, delicate, downwear, easy care, easy iron dry, hygienic, mixed, shirts, sports, time dry, and warm air. With an impressive 9-star energy rating, this dryer is designed to be energy efficient. It features active air heat pump technology, which ensures optimal drying performance while conserving energy. The self-cleaning condenser maintains the dryer's efficiency and reduces maintenance. The dryer comes equipped with a user-friendly dial and an LED display. The illuminated control dial also has an integrated power on and off button. An end-of-cycle indicator notifies you when your laundry is ready. For added flexibility, the dryer offers touch control options such as reduced ironing, cupboard dry plus, delay start, half load, easy iron, and low heat. Choose the Bosch Series 6 8kg heat pump dryer for an efficient, user-friendly drying experience.